Hazrat Sahel bin Abu Hasma Ansari reports that Hazrat Zaid bin Sabit radiyallahu anhu said, in times of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, people would sell the fruit before picking them. When the people would come demanding, the seller would say, they contracted the man, they caught Murad or Qusham, names of diseases, and they give extremely less yield. So mentioning different calamities, they would altercate with the buyer. When there occurred frequent cases of altercations, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, do not sell them now until they get ripe. He said that as a piece of advice due to the frequent altercations, Kharija bin Zaid bin Sabit told me that Hazrat Zaid bin Sabit radiyallahu anhu would not sell the fruit of his farm till they got ripe and the yellowish dates assumed the reddish color. Imam Abu Abdullah Bukhari said, Ali bin Bakr, Hakam, Ambash, Zakaria, Sahal has reported from Hazrat Zaid. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2193.